sun just came out of nowhere. Hey! Good morning, everyone, or afternoon, or hi, it's Josie. Welcome back to the channel. And you hear all this noise in the background. But today, going on another adventure. Going out to Owen Sound, which is about 2 hours from here. And we're going to, I'm saying we, because today I'm actually not by myself. I'm with my cousin Connie. We are going to Inglis, I believe it's Inglis Falls. And gonna do a little hiking, gonna see a waterfall. Always the cherry on the top at the end of a hike. Alright, get her in the frame. Hey everyone, alright, so this is my cousin Candice. Candice, you probably won't hear me call her that again, as I call her Connie. But yeah, so we are going to Inglis, I think it's Inglis, I don't know. We're going to the falls, we're gonna hike. Say what's up to the people.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Hope to see you on our journey today.
There's my dad in the background and my sister just like ruining the shot, but you know, it is what it is.
Too funny.
But yeah, so let's get going and we'll see you guys in a bit.
See you.
Alright, hey everybody, so we are here at Inglis Falls. We drove about 2 hours, and through those 2 hours it rained, it poured, and
A long time.
felt a little depressed, felt that it was not going to be very good when we got here. I thought it was going to be raining, but it's actually good weather over here. It's a little cold, but the clouds are clear, it's not
They're
dark.
fluffy. There's a
Fluffy.
little sun.
But yeah,
We made it, y'all.
we here, and surprisingly where we parked, the falls is right here. So we don't really have to hike anywhere just yet to see the falls, but we still gonna hike because
We gonna do it.
we want to exercise.
Exactly.
And we're probably gonna go see if we can get down by the river. And that's pretty much it. So let's go. There's the parking lot. There's Connie. There's the falls. It's all pretty much right here. And we're gonna go hike a bit. See what else is around here. See what's good. It's so beautiful here. Look at all of the autumn colors. Look at that, man. Look at that beauty. There's the river. Let's see how close we can look. That's about it. Mini fall, mini fall. Oh crap. Okay, yeah, I'm afraid of heights, so this is a little scary. Oh crap. Alright, let's boss up here. Let's boss up. Whew. Okay. Walking very gingerly to get this shot here. Down by the riverside. So we're down by the riverside now. As soon as we came, the waterfall was right there. So didn't have to go anywhere. So now we're just here by the river, walking, and that's all we're doing now at this point. We're just hiking, seeing what's around. Hi. She's over there rocking
Every day. No shame.
We in the woods. Gotta take my time because the ground is wet and slippery.
Welcome back from your trip.
Alright, so we've been on this trail now for probably about like 2 kilometers. We're not really sure where exactly we're going, but we did see a sign for Harrison Park, where we don't really know where that leads, but we're gonna take it. And so we were on the blue trail, which I think was a Bruce trail. And then we saw these yellow markers, not quite sure where that was leading. And then we got like a split road, fork in the road, and we saw yellow and red. I was like, wait a minute, red is new. Let's see what that is about. And that was actually the direction to the Harrison Park. So that's where we're going now, to Harrison Park, and we're gonna see what that's all about. Haven't looked it up online, so I have no clue at all what's there, but we're gonna find out. Let's go.
Into the unknown. Just want you to know I'm not a very balanced woman, but I will merge into the forest. As a young grasshopper, I will touch the tree now. I will step down now
You're such a nerd.
as I get into the elements of the natural planet.
You're such a nerd. Come down a steep incline. I don't know if you can really see it anymore, but now we're down and I hear water, which is always I always feel good when I hear water. And then when I see it, it's like small. Yeah, so I'm gonna go check out the river.
Water looks so clear.
There's salmon somewhere. I don't see the salmon. Where's the salmon? Where? Where? Oh, I see it. Oh, there's salmon. I saw it. Oh man, there's like a little waterfall over there too. You see the salmon poking out a little bit? It's massive. You can't really see in this camera. It is huge. You see the tail, you see the fin. Oh, it's moving. Oh, there it is. Oh, man. There it is. That's salmon. Now it's hiding again. Wait, there's 2 in there. You see there's 2 in there. Yeah. There's the 3rd one, yeah. So we're out here and we really don't know where we are at this point. We stopped seeing the red markings towards Harrison Park, but we're by the river, so we're good. Probably just gonna keep walking along the river here until we kind of get tired and then maybe head back. But we're seeing the biggest salmon. Well, we're seeing the biggest salmon I've ever seen, like in water. salmon is so huge. It's so beautiful over here. So happy, so in love with this hike today. So this is where we are. I don't really see a path anymore. So we're just walking along the river. The red markings are gone. But we're just like enjoying. Connie was there talking to her mom. But we're just enjoying the area. No firm destination anymore.
Hey everyone, so we're in Owen Sound today, exploring the beautiful nature, and today the highlight of my day was seeing the salmon in the water. Very long, very fresh, delicious looking, but most of all the scenery and the weather has been amazing.
So got some wire, stepped in wire.
May have to carry the wire home.
It's on my laces?
Yeah.
Can't get it out?
I'm sure it will. Just stuck. Oh, I'm stuck on that.
Alright, 1 second. Help me with this foot first.
The left foot?
The left foot. I can get out of the left foot, then I can maybe a little bit more easier to maneuver out of the right foot. Caught in wire. This is so dangerous.
Okay, let me not get it.
So I have to roll it probably. You see? I'm rolling from the lace. There we go. Alright. It's just caught a little bit. You see how it is caught there? Can you see to pull it out?
Me?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, I got it. This rusty wire here almost took my life. Almost killed me. Trapped in it. You can kind of see it a little bit. Yeah, it's just random. I'm okay though. No lives lost. Alright, so we didn't quite make it to Harris Park. When we went up here, instead of keeping on the path, we decided to go towards the water, which we definitely don't regret. But we came off the path and then we kind of got lost in the woods. So yeah, we didn't quite make it there, but now we're on our way back because we don't want to get stuck out here in the dark. So maybe next time we'll make it to Harrison Park, but we had a good time. We saw salmon, saw the river, we saw so much fish. It's well worth it. I don't know what Harrison Park was or what we would have seen when we got there, but happy with what we did see. So now we're going back to where we started, back by the waterfall. See Connie there in the background. Yeah. So we made it back, went all the way around, did the loop, and as you can see, or as you can hear, we made it back to the falls. Today was great. Today was a great day, great hiking. The weather was not bad. A tad cold for me, but still much better than hot sun. Especially since we had to go up climb and down climb, decline, But it was a great day. Connie, say what's up.
Hey everyone, had a great day at the beautiful falls that we're at here, and I really enjoyed my time. The falls are beautiful, the scenery's beautiful, the nature, the salmon, amazing, amazing day.
So yeah, today was a success. And we're about to maybe get something to eat. We're not sure. We'll see how we feel. Not sure how our stomachs are feeling just yet. We'll decide. But yeah, we're going to call it a day, and that's it for today here at Inglis Falls, and Connie, and net breaking. There you go.
Here I am.
And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you later.
Peace.